Many seniors can't sleep through the night, even after trying sleeping pills, melatonin, or herbal teas. But what if I told you the solution to deep, restful sleep could be as simple as a lemon? Yes, this everyday fruit holds powerful secrets for restoring calm, balancing your sleep hormones, and helping you finally enjoy peaceful nights after 60 inches. Lemons on a kitchen counter, glass of warm lemon water, diffuser with lemon essential oil. Here's why lemon is so effective. First, lemon contains compounds that naturally boost serotonin and melatonin, two hormones your body needs to relax and fall asleep. Second, its refreshing aroma has a calming effect on the nervous system, reducing stress and nighttime anxiety. And finally, lemon supports your circadian rhythm, your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. 1. Warm lemon honey water before bed. Take half a lemon, squeeze it into a cup of warm water, and add a teaspoon of raw honey. Drink it about 30 minutes before bed. The warm water relaxes your body, honey stabilizes blood sugar through the night, and lemon helps release melatonin. Together, they create a gentle, natural sleep tonic. 2. Lemon and salt in the bedroom. Cut a lemon into slices, sprinkle a little natural salt on top, and place it in a bowl by your bed. This simple trick purifies the air, gives off a light citrus aroma, and creates a refreshing environment that makes it easier to breathe and relax deeply. 3. Lemon essential oil for aromatherapy. Use a diffuser with a few drops of lemon essential oil in your bedroom. If you don't have a diffuser, you can mix a drop with a carrier oil like coconut oil and gently massage it on your wrists or temples. The aroma signals your brain to slow down, reduces anxious thoughts, and prepares your body for rest. Along with lemon remedies, here are a few bonus tips for seniors to improve sleep naturally. Keep a regular bedtime and wake-up schedule. Dim the lights 1 hour before bed to signal your body it's time to wind down. Avoid caffeine or heavy meals at night, and create a calm, comfortable sleep space. Cool, dark, and quiet. So whether you choose warm lemon honey water, lemon with salt in the bedroom, or lemon essential oil, these gentle remedies can help you finally sleep through the night without pills. Try one tonight and feel the difference by morning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs better sleep.